Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I'm just going to kind of share with you some of the projects we've been doing in the backyard, as well as let you know some of the projects we plan on doing in the backyard. So before we get started, I just want to share this 9-foot solar LED outdoor umbrella in the color beige that was gifted to us from Bluu, and Bluu is spelled B-L-U-U. They also sent us the weighted base, which is recommended whether you use the umbrella in the table or not. You can fill the base with water or sand. We decided to fill it with water. Simply crank the handle clockwise to open it and counterclockwise to close it. You can also turn on the LED lights by pressing the red button, which is equipped with solar charging. In one smooth movement of the pole, you can push the button to tilt the umbrella into 3 different levels of inclination. And the umbrella fabric is made from olefin fabric. It's 95% UV resistant and has a 3-year color fast warranty. And here is a nighttime view of this beautiful LED light that we needed back here at this table because we have poor lighting, so it's going to fit perfect into our backyard. And I'll leave the link for the umbrella as well as the base in the description with a coupon code for 15% off for anyone who's interested. So now let's jump back into the projects that we have going on in the backyard. And the first thing we had to tackle was painting this pergola. And I'm almost sure my husband pressure washed the pergola, but just in case he didn't, I do recommend pressure washing any outdoor surface that you're going to paint, especially if it's your home. You have a lot of trees and things like that around. So in this case, I'm pretty sure he did, but just in case he didn't, I recommend you do it. So he's painting the pergola or getting started on it. And I'm over on the side spray painting the metal poles or that we use to hang our outdoor curtains up. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description on how we made those poles to hang outdoors, and they have held up really good. So of course, he's on the ladder. He has me passing him the paint while he paint up top, and then he's going to come down and use the longer pole to paint. And then I'll be the one going up and down the ladder. So I don't mind going up and down, but of course he wanted my help. So I would wet the paint roller while he would paint the longer part of the pergola. But once we both decided to do it together, we got done a lot faster. All right, so I just want to share the progress of our flower bed back here. It's really doing really good. My husband is getting ready to trim the bushes, and after he does that, I will go ahead and put down some mulch. But I am not happy with those bricks, so we may end up changing those later. And here are some trees that I purchased to go along the fence line. I also purchased some more bushes. I'm going to put those other plant that you saw that had the flowers in them. Those will be potted in pots, but these are like those sticky bushes, and we're going to put them right along that fence line over there to kind of add a little more privacy. It may take a little while, but that's to go to give a little bit more privacy in the backyard on the other side of the house. So this is how all the plants are looking. They're doing really well. I have had to water them every day because it's been in the high 90s and even the hundreds here. All right, so let me show you all how the pergola turned out. It turned out really nice. It doesn't look old anymore. I do like the way the black poles are standing out. So spray painting those was a great idea. I don't like the way the curtains have faded. We partnered with this company last year and they gifted us the beige ones. This year they gifted us the gray ones, and as you can see, they have already faded. So the color we used was called Black Bean by Sherwin-Williams, and we used the Woodscape Outdoor Stain, but we got the solid one because we wanted to look more painted instead of stained. We're also going to add another tier to this pergola to give it more of a contemporary look. Here's a view of this flower bed before my husband trimmed the bushes, and here is a view of after. We still need to add a layer of mulch and plant the rest of the flowers over here. All right, so over here in this flower bed, my husband had already cut the first bush, and I said, can you make the second one look like it? And when he did, oh my gosh, I was not happy with the way it was looking. I really like the wild look, but hey, it does look a little bit more uniform when you go ahead and trim it out. And here is the after. I did go ahead and move one of the plants over to make it more centered. So now I have two on one L shape and the other two on the other L shape. And I'm going to put a plant or of some type that's more like a tree directly in the center. So that's what I'm showing you there. And I hate these bricks. So eventually I know we are going to change them out. And I also have to come up with a solution for hiding the pool equipment over in the far right. I absolutely love these flowers. They are a little bit further from the house, so I definitely still have to put some water out on them. And I just bring the longer water hose. Sometimes I even bring buckets of water because it's been so hot lately. I definitely do not want them to dry out. So this is part of my daily routine, first thing in the morning and sometimes late in the evening. We also will be installing a new ceiling fan. We purchased it from Home Depot. It's 52 inches, indoor, outdoor, and it also has the blades that are flippable. We're going to install it with the black side showing. So if you don't remember how the old ceiling fan looked, here it is. It was definitely time. And as you can see, we may have to do a little touch-up paint. The last time we had our home painted, we had it done professionally. And as you can see, they didn't do a good job painting around the old ceiling fan. So there is the ceiling fan put up. Of course, we got a lot of stuff over in that area. I'm about to clean that up. We have the pool cleaner plugged up, and here it is. This one is really good. We had another one, but it wasn't as great as this one. We got this maybe a month ago. This is the Dolphin pool cleaner. It does really well. I'm not sure what model. My husband picked it out, and it is a monster. There it is in the pool. It will climb those steps. It will climb your tanning ledge. I highly recommend it. Although they're not sponsoring this video, it really has been working for us. We haven't had it long, so I won't be able to give you a full review on how it does after a year or so, but that pool cleaner is definitely a monster. Yep, and we don't have any of our little jets on that throw the water in the air. There's one tucked over here, and the other one is right there on the tanning lid. All right, everyone, that is the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And thanks again to Bluu for gifting us this beautiful solar umbrella. I'll leave a link to it in the description as well as my coupon code for anyone who's interested. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.